Right, what we're doing here is verifying the fact that the steering wheel control via the Unika is sending the correct key codes to the Parrot Asteroid. So, here we go, applications, key test. Okay, so
I'll try and do this, and you can see volume down,
key code 25.
Volume up.
Key code 24.
The key to media previous.
Best 88.
If you have just joined us on 5 Live this afternoon, Leicester won 1-0 at Leeds United, so that is 6 consecutive league wins for
Pressing
the
channel
team at the
next.
top of the championship. Nigel Pearson's Leicester, I'm sure we'll hear from
See,
him.
repeat,
But for Leeds,
back to
it
the
is
channel
5
minus.
consecutive defeats in all competitions, so there'll be more, I'm sure, from both sides during the course of 5
So,
Live Sport. If you're still listening, during the course of the afternoon. Right, well, that is it. Certainly for Ramirez, who has been stretchered off. Lovren, likewise.
See the value changing, 88, 87.
Has come on for
So,
Ramirez. And,
what is going on?